and I am so excited to begin my lunar hair journey with the Morrocco Method. I spent the last year in cosmetology school, and my hair definitely needs a good detoxing after all of those different chemicals and harsh substances and treatments. It's just really been through the ringer. I also have had 3 pregnancies in the last 6 years, so my hair has been through all of those hormones and pregnancy like regrowth, and then it like falling out afterwards, and it just kind of needs a whole balancing out and get back to the way it should be with all natural products. So I can't wait to see all the changes that it makes, and I am so excited to show you.